Oh. What's going on, YouTube? It's been a minute since I recorded. It's been like, what, a week or two? I've been having some tests going on. I'm in college right now. I've been having some tests going on, so I had to take care of that. I'm about to finish next month, so yay. I do want to give a shout out. I want to give a shout out to this one dude who always comments on my videos, and his name is Josiah. Yeah, but he watching my videos, like he almost watches almost all my videos. Let me roll the windows up. He watches almost all my videos. He comments on a lot of my videos. You know, that's like he like, bro, I gotta, like, he watching me, bro, like consistently. And you know, that just shows all love, you know. I just want to say I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you guys that. I also appreciate you guys, you know, that watch my videos consistently. Show the effort, show me, you know, you guys do like to watch these POV drives. I'm surprised, man. I really, you know, we're close to 300. So if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe. I post POV drives in my Q50 Red Sport. Yeah, well, I'm in the process of, you know, slowly modifying it. Right now, I only have a heat exchanger and intakes. It's nothing crazy. I gotta slow it down. School's on be getting me on the cameras, man. But yeah, man, just a heat exchanger, intakes, and that's about it. I know I've been dragging it out of me getting the exhaust. I've been meaning to get an exhaust for my car, but you know, man, I'm an adult, and when you're an adult, you get unsuspected, like, costs come up out of nowhere. So you know, you got to take care of what's actually important. But I do have the freedom to spend the money I want to spend now, and I will be getting the exhaust. I want to say, I don't know what's the shipping like. I don't know what's the shipping like. I want to say 3 weeks, but I don't want to say 3 weeks and it doesn't come, because you know, especially like coilovers. If you try buying coilovers, I've asked the Z1, and I don't blame them. Is, you know, they're doing their part, but the thing is, it just takes a while. These what's the word? Companies, they just take a while. Like coilovers for BCs, they told me it would have estimated probably like 6 weeks, bro. That's like, if my math's right, bro, that's like almost 2 months. It's crazy. But you know, that's just comes with buying, I guess, expensive parts. You know, you want anything carbon fiber, a lot of expensive car parts actually take a long time to ship. Y'all comment down below. I don't know any what's the word, man, supplier for car parts that ships fast. They are shipped. Besides Rock Auto, man, you can't hit on Rock Auto. Rock Auto always ship fast. But besides Rock Auto, there's no other car part seller that sells car parts for like quick. They all take mad long, bro. Almost like Alibaba long. Alibaba not even bad for real. Oh my goodness, my girlfriend, she called me, man. It's like she knows when I'm recording. She always calls me when I'm recording, bro. They don't get me mad, but I'm like, bro, come on. What was I even talking about? Damn, lost my train of thought. Yeah, man, I'm on my way to school right now. Oh, car part sellers, man. Ooh, bro, y'all see that G82? Dang, thing's clean too. Holy, bro, we need to get one of those. I don't know what car I should get next, man. I know I talk about this a lot, but you know, it's just something that's always on my mind. Like Supra, or like a M340i, you know, a G20 body. I don't know, man. Damn, I feel like I'm getting sick with this cold air. Bro, I've been getting mad allergies lately. It's bad. Like, it sucks. You know, I've been watching my YouTube video, my YouTube channel, like, progress. If y'all still watching, y'all let me know what y'all think. And not to compare, but I look on like the stuff, you know, my videos, and I look at other people's videos, and I just don't understand I'm not saying they don't deserve it. I think like, you know, anybody who has a lot of subscribers or likes, you know, whatever, just they have like their own status on their channel. I'm not saying they don't deserve it. Everybody deserves, you know, you just don't, you know, you gotta work, especially for YouTube. You really gotta work. I feel like, in my opinion, on YouTube, you gotta really work to actually get your own following compared to like TikTok or even Instagram. Maybe like you could blow up overnight, and it makes no sense. That it's just how the algorithm is on those platforms. But on YouTube, I feel like you really have to be consistent. But I look at my content and other YouTubers' content, and I'm like, my content's like, I want to say like, I don't think I'm boring. Maybe you guys, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. I don't think I'm boring. But the only difference is I just don't cut my videos. I just keep my videos consistent. You know, that's the whole point of, you know, me making, you know, raw POV drives, you know, no cuts, just, you know. I don't know, man. Maybe I just need to try harder. You know, I do like my consistency on my YouTube, that's for sure. You know, so it's my fault. Yeah, but you know, I am trying to do better on my consistency. You know, consistency in anything, really. You know, I feel like consistency is really hard. You know, no excuses. Damn, this is a nice G. But yeah, man, it's about that time. Shock o'clocks. Well, I'm about to get to school, y'all, so I'll let y'all go. If y'all did enjoy the video, like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. If y'all are consistent viewers, man, thank you guys very much. It means a lot to me, for real, for real. You know, I know I may not post consistently, but I do, like, you know, I do check my YouTube studio, and I be checking, like, you know, my followers and, you know, the people who be commenting. Y'all can check my channel out, man. I comment on almost every, what's it called? If it's not a hate comments, I don't respond to that. I just pay no mind to that. But, you know, people who actually interact and people who actually, like, you know, are interested in my videos, I do talk to. So I do appreciate the love, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.